Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a drop-down list on Microsoft Excel. Okay, here I have created a table on my Microsoft Excel. Then for example, I'm going to add drop-down list to this gift column. I'm going to add the drop-down list from the list of the gift right here. So first of all, we can select the column like this. Then tap on the data option right here. Then you can tap on data validation. Then here you can add the data validation criteria. So click on this option, then click on list. Since you want to add drop down a list, then you can click on source of the list. You can tap on this button, then select the source. We can select this list of the gift, then click on this button and click on OK. Alright, and now the drop-down list has been applied to this gift column. You can click on this little arrow, then you can select one of the list. I'm going to select doll. Then for the second row, I'm going to select notebook. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a drop-down list on Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.